Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon your time zone you are looking onto this video. My name is Ramnik. I'm the chair of Innovation Challenge Track under IEEE YESIST12 2023. We at IEEE YESIST12 with partner with IE Explore is really excited and welcome you on board to IEEE YESIST12. And thank you so much for your interest for being the pilot and checking out the details for how to become a pilot, what are the responsibilities, and what are your different kind of steps and procedure that you need to take. Before moving on to what actually you have to do as a pilot, let's understand what IEEE SS12 is all about, and then we will be taking towards that step. So, what exactly IEEE YESIS12 is all about? It's a youth endeavors for social innovation using sustainable technology, and it's an international project talent show, along with which themed on UN Sustainable Development Goals and focused on upskilling, along with mentoring for career success. This is a two-tier event which has been hosted around 20 plus countries so far. It is being organized by IEEE Madras Section Education Society chapter in partnership with numerous IEEE societies, World Bank, Rotary Club, and various industry and academic institutions. This time in 2023, it's going to be executed in a hybrid manner in Egypt from 2nd to 3rd September 2023. So why we have started this event? So basically, our main mission and vision is to inculcate innovation in engineering by combined practices of social responsibility and morality and vision for a better future. And our mission includes serving the society by profound stimulation for young minds. We are motivating young minds to come up and with the solution for the societal issue, recognize mentors with service oriented thought processes because every single team who will be registering in IEEE SS12 will be backed up with mentor support of their own. And that's where we are recognizing their efforts as well. It will act as a networking platform by bridging the gap between experienced investors and students and to produce exceptional and efficient products for solving prevailing societal issue in our surrounding. What our objectives are. So we focus on practice-based learning. We motivate students regarding entrepreneurship. We are a platform with international collaboration, and we motivate and we help participants with skill and product development, along with when they are working with a team. So basically, team building and other interpersonal skills are automatically inculcated. So, what kind of journey we have been so far? We started in 2016 with 978 participants with 4 plus countries, and so far the first hybrid version which we hosted was in 2020 due to unfortunate pandemic COVID-19, where we had astonishing record-breaking participant number that is 2,500 along with 16 plus countries. And then we executed again another virtual session, virtual Yes Israel, uh, during the second phase of COVID. And then we were hosting the post-COVID in Bangalore with 1944 participants along with 9 plus countries. And this time, as I already mentioned, we are going to host it is in Egypt. What are the different tracks that we have included in 2023? This includes Innovation Challenge, Maker Faire, Junior Einstein, V Power, Spatial Track, and I Engage Track. If I explain you about one by one, so Innovation Challenge Track specifically finds the innovation element in the ideas which is being submitted by the teams. Maker Faire focuses for converting an idea into a product, and obviously we are here to help them with the incubation support and connecting with the experienced industrialists who will be coming up and joining us in person. Junior Einstein is specifically for pre-university students who are in school, basically from the grade 6th grade to 12th grade. V Power is specifically for inspiring and motivating women to come up with the innovation solution in power and energy sector. Special track, it depends on each and every edition, which kind of need of the society we are focusing on. And the last one is I Engage. That's where we are having industrialists and experienced professionals who can guide the participant for getting prepared for ESS 12 and other tracks. So, what kind of impact we have created? These are the some major startups and incubators which we have seen. They have joined us as an ideation phase in YESIST12 2016, the Brilliant Band, which is now converted into a proper startup. Angel JS, life saving prawn for drowning people, 2017. And then we have EduTech and interactive education kit using AI in 2018. And the impact is being created moving forward 2019, 20, 21, 22, and we are definitely looking forward to more innovative ideas in 2023 so that we can support them and those ideas can be converted into incubations or permanent companies and startups. So let's learn about you as a pilot, what kind of responsibilities and what is the procedure that you should follow once you become a pilot. So pilot is nothing, it's just a name of your college organization, or you are kind of a responsible for hosting the prelims, that is the semi-finals round in your college or university or your institute. And once you select the finalists out of semi-finals, we will be inviting all of them to join us in the finale round that is in Egypt. So this is the process. Before the prelims, you should get your planning and execution ready, work on building your organizing committee who will be helping you out within your college, within your university and institution, and get the prelims detail confirmed to us so that we can help you out as much as possible from our side. Collaboration preparation. So once you are ready with your plan, just find out and look for sponsorship via IEEE and industries or self-sponsor for hosting the prelims round. Download the required posters, templates, which we have already given in IEEE YESIST12 Brand Toolkit. That's a website which you can Google, and we will be sharing in the onboarding email as well. The last one, once the things are done, once the poster for the abstract submission and pilot prelims round announcement is shooted out, just proceed with the promotion. Just please note that a college or a university who is registering as a pilot, they need to entertain and collaborate with minimum 5 colleges or universities nearby to them so that the collaboration can be seen and not only one college or university is hosting their own prelims at their campus. We should encourage inter-college participation as well. And if applicable, if you have nearby pre-universities or schools from 6th to 12th grade, please feel free to conduct a prelim round separately for school children. Once it is conducted during the event, you can just organize prelims as per the guidelines. You can ask us, you can mail to us if you require some judges from our side, because that's a requirement. You should have one observer from our steering committee as a jury member. If you need industrialists, we can help you out with that. If you need academicians, we can also help you with that. Just let us know on the email and we will be there to help you out. A common evaluation guidelines that is actually applicable for the prelims round, that is creativity, novelty, application, relevance to the theme, application of standards, developability, and scalability. I will be explaining in the next few slides what each and every parameter means and what are the number of marks we have allocated to it. Once it is done, once the prelims is conducted on that basis of evaluation by the jury members, feel free to shortlist the winners and runner-ups. It can be top 3, it can be top 5, depending upon the number of the project which we get and number of the project that you wish to submit with respect to the tracks of your system. The last, once the prelims is conducted in the following week itself, please download the report template that from the IEEE YESIST12 Brand Toolkit, and from where you have to email us with the field report with the images and number of the participant which you have and all the kind of final details about the prelims reporting. Now, these are the points of the for the participant that you can publicize while you're publicizing about prelims round from university or college. The team size should be in the range of 1 to 4, max 4 and minimum 1 team can register. And for team registration, every participating team, along with a chosen mentor, that can be from any academic institution, to register with the nearby pilot. Let's say I'm sitting in New Delhi and there's one college in North India who is executing the prelims round. And being not a part of that college and organization, we will be sharing the details publicly who have registered as a pilot. And anyone from the nearby places can register for your prelims round and they can join as a participant for that semifinals, that's prelims. Participating members should be noting this point that we encourage diversity and inclusiveness in IEEE system. So the team should be diverse as much as possible. It like team members can be from different academic institution, mentor can be from different academic institution as per the comfortability. And please note, once the registration is being done for the prelims by the teams, the team details will be locked for the finale round as well. What kind of percentage of the level of the project that we are looking for at the prelims? At least 50% of the prototype should be ready during the prelims so that jury member can evaluate it in a better way. And that should be developed to 100% after the selection in the finale. The last, on IEEE YESIST12 brand toolkit, you can download the presentation template that participant need to use and the team need to use when they are pitching their idea in the prelims round. So let's discuss about each and every parameter in a more detailed way so that you can understand why we decided these parameters and why those marks are being allocated. Creativity and novelty for 10 marks. How much idea is creative in finding a unique solution? That's what we have to identify as a jury member, as a pilot. How much their idea, identify the novelty of their idea as against to the existing solution in the market. The second, application, again 10 marks. As we know, an idea always starts with an application for the societal issue. If that idea doesn't apply or doesn't applicable to a society issue, that doesn't mean an idea is useful. So this helps jury member to decide on the necessity and usability of the solution. The third one, relevance to the theme. This time, 2023 YESIS12, we are focusing on Sustainable Development Goals 1, 2, 4, 9, 11, and 12. So depending upon the track, depending upon the details, what you find on YESIS12 website, you can feel free to judge on this parameter, which is actually low pointer. We encourage miscellaneous projects as well, but we need to stick towards the Sustainable Development Goals, the numbers which we have given on the website. How much the idea or project being proposed is relevant to the theme of the tracks and YESIS12 as a whole. The fourth parameter, application of standards. Now, every product coming into the market needs to be standardized or must have a base of technical standard. So how much it is being applied to that particular project or the idea which the team is proposing, that is what we have to judge here. It is only applicable for Maker Faire, Special Track, and IC Track, not for the Junior Einstein Track or V-Power. Developability. If the idea or project is not pitched properly in front of investor, idea is just on the paper in that case, right? So this parameter helps us to decide how much effective the idea or the solution was being pitched and delivered in front of judges. The last and very much important parameter, that is how much the idea or the solution can be scaled for other geographical socio-economic background. The whole base of all these parameters, the main point that we have to consider, that is unique, innovation, novelty, and the research, the background research, how much research the team has done and they are presenting in front of the jury members. If you have any queries related to IC tracks, we have this team. You can email to me, or you can email to the co-chair, or you can email to any one of the member here listed. If you have any queries related to innovation challenge track, if you have any queries with any other track, you can feel free to write to the chair of Junior Einstein track, Navinta Krishna sir, Arun M sir, Indumati, who are the chair of Maker Faire and chair of Spatial track. In case if you have any journal queries and you are looking for support for social media, looking support for website committee to help you out with the pilot registration or with the help of any kind of issues, feel free to reach out to Akshaya, Rishikesh, or Ashwan. With that, thank you so much for listening me and understanding about the pilot requirement and what are the responsibility. This training video will be provided over to the pilot registration page on our IEEE YESIS12 website. Along with this will be amended and posted on our YouTube channel, along with into the email, promotion email that we are shooting out to your college and institution, as well as to you as a past pilot, as well as new pilot who are registering with us. Thank you so much, and we will be looking forward to your proactive participation.